Kraft?
Yes, ma'am.
Right there.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Now calling prosecutor order number 23-05484, the People versus Benjamin Matthew Kraft. It's the date and time set for arraignment. Counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cecilia Carandongo appear on behalf and with Benjamin Kraft for purposes of arraignment only. We are consenting to Zoom. And also, we would waive reading of the charges, stand mute, ask the judge to not guilty pleas on his behalf.
All right, the court will waive formal reading, enter plea of mute on behalf of Mr. Kraft. I do not have a request for court-appointed attorney form in front of me. So, Mr. Kraft, are you currently employed?
Yes, sir. I have my own business and I did fill out that form, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, and I just don't have it in front of me, so it's not a problem.
Okay. Okay.
Approximately how much do you make per month after taxes?
It kind of differs. I'm in as a senior citizen community, so I tried to work with some of them that are on fixed incomes, but on an average, I would say probably $400 a week. Sometimes it's less and sometimes it's more. It really, like, I have two big jobs right now to do, but I try to work with the senior citizens in there, or the elderly.
Okay. All right, well, based on your representations, I do find that you are indigent, so I will appoint an attorney for you moving forward, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Counsel's released the bond. Move to the state on behalf of your client.
Your Honor, so Mr. Kraft did indicate to me that he'd be going to his dad's house. So he understands that he can't return to the street address in Rochester Hills. He couldn't remember his father's address when I just spoke to him, but he knows to call the court with that address when he's released, Your Honor. He did get. Did you remember?
Yeah.
So he can give it to you if he wants.
Yep, go ahead.
48073. Sorry, sir.
And he does have a phone number, Your Honor, of the recommendation in here is to release him with conditions. The one complaining witness on this case is his brother. The other one is his girlfriend, Your Honor. He does have a job, as he just told you. And he last worked the day before he got locked up. I think he's eligible, since pretrial services is recommending release and conditions. He should be eligible for a personal bond with conditions. I'm asking that you grant that, Your Honor.
All right. I have reviewed the pretrial services report that was submitted regarding Mr. Kraft. It appears that Mr. Kraft has 13 prior convictions, one of which includes domestic violence.
The 2003 or 2001 or something like that?
That's correct.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor, I would just, if I could please, dealing with the elderly, they kind of rely on me in groceries and doing stuff like that, so I don't want to. And then a couple of jobs that I have are leaky pipes, and I don't want them to have to pay where I charge them $25, and I don't want them to have to go pay $125 for just some guy to show up. So that's what I try to work with them. And I would like to.
I can understand, and I can certainly appreciate that.
Thank you, sir.
With that said, obviously the allegations in this case are very serious. I conducted the swear to yesterday. And I'm seeing past, history of assaultive behavior. So I have to look out for the safety of the public, and I do not believe that a personal bond is warranted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to order bond in the amount of $10,000 cash or surety. I'm also ordering the following conditions. You're to have no contact with the thing or any other witness. You're not to return to Michigan except one time with a police officer to gather your belongings. And then you are not to return to that address so long as this case remains pending. You will personally appear for any and all future court proceedings. You will not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court. You will immediately notify the court in writing of any change to your address or telephone number. You shall not possess any firearms or other dangerous weapons. You shall refrain from using any alcohol, any form of THC, marijuana, illegal drugs, or abusing any legally prescribed medication. You will submit to random PBTs and or urinalysis upon request, and I'm also ordering that you will submit random testing, PBT 1 time per week, and random testing for controlled substances 1 time per month. You will be under the 52-3 District Court's Bond Compliance Division, which means within 24 hours of your release, if you post bond, you must contact the court, 52-3 District Court, and get signed up with them. Lastly, no new criminal offenses or activity.
Pardon me,
Mr.
sir?
Kraft, do you understand the terms and conditions of your bond?
Yes, I was just really hoping to get out to help these people, sir. My last
I can
case,
understand.
my last case was dropped because of this condition. So this is what's going to happen again this time. She's
Okay,
just
well-
got. I just really wanted to go. I would not go anywhere near them. I just really wanted to just go and help these people out. And I was just really counting on getting out of here. I have 2 daughters that are 14 and 16. And I've shared custody, Your Honor. I was just really, and I was kind of, when the lawyer told me about this, that I was kind of just assuming that I was going to be able to go. And now I'm just kind of, and I was just, I mean, I really don't think I'm a threat to the public. The only other one was in 2001.
Well, Mr. Kraft,
Please.
I'm looking at your, like I said, Mr. Kraft, I'm not going to change my mind. I've made my decision. I
Okay,
did
yes,
the swear
sir.
to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are more than welcome to address bond at your next hearing. You may be able to get a bondsman to post bond for you. I don't know. That's going to be between you and a bondsman. But I have to look out for the safety of the public. So that is your bond. I don't have your next court date in front of me. So if you do post bond, make sure you call the 52-3 District Court and find out when your next court date is. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Fuck it. Fuck it.
You know.